Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco Sport in a Big Bend trim and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the cargo area, where you have a nice sturdy cargo floor, and underneath of that you have your full-size spare with some extra room around it for other stuff. And of course, you can always expand this by folding down the back seats. And to the left and right, you have these tie-down points with little lassos on them, as well as your cargo lights here, which can be articulated to shine light where you need it. And on the right, you have a 12-volt power outlet. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 with a partial cloth and vinyl-ish material here, I believe. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having a USB and USB-C down there in the middle. And the backs of the seats have zippered pockets, as well as molly rigging that you can hook stuff onto. And this vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip information, My View with a digital speedometer, driver assistance features and settings, audio controls, phone controls, and other information about your vehicle. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as having your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of the signal stalk. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going. Moving down from that, you have your media controls with your hazards and auto start stop shut off, and below that you have a little cubby here. Moving down further, you have your climate controls with heated front seats so you can stay warm. Moving down further, you have this area here with a wireless charging pad, so if your phone's compatible, throw it on there to power or charge. And then you also still have a 12-volt USB and USB-C power outlet, so you can plug something in from there too. Then you have your main shifter here on a dial, very convenient, easy to use. Parking brake, brake hold, 2 cup holders, and your GOAT mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then last but not least, you have your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious with another USB and USB-C inside, so you can plug something in from there too. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.